in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, western Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:37 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Morganton, or near Drexel, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hickory, Morganton, St. Stephen's, Longview, Sawmills, Granite Falls, Valdez, Bethlehem, Hudson, and Eichard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Caldwell, and Catawba. Here is a special weather statement.